In this lesson, we are going to take a look at doing two color relativity tests. These tests can easily show and demonstrate how colors interact with one another and creates visual illusion based on contrast. And don't laugh, but this is how to start creating colors with feelings. You can start to manipulate the way a color feels based on the adjacent colors around it. Almost like in life, when you surround yourself with a bunch of happy people, you either begin to feel more happy by association or more sad from the contrast. For this first test, we're beginning with a dark red and a bright cyan. Now let's place a value gray in each of them. We can see that the left gray appears lighter and has a slightly cooler look to it than the right gray. The right one appears darker, and when looking back and forth between the two, this one appears warmer in comparison. Now let's connect them to see what happens here. And with that, we can see that the two grays were actually the same gray to begin with. It was only the surrounding colors that were giving a different feel to them. Our mind can play tricks on us. For the second test, we have a sheet showing two different reds, with a shadow cutting down the center. The trick here is one of illusion based on light. You may see where I'm going with this. The area in shadow feels duller, while the area in light feels brighter and more vibrant. Let's take a swatch of each color being used here. Have you noticed it yet? If we go ahead and use our color picker to list the hue, saturation, and brightness, you will see the trick unveiled. The top left and bottom right are actually the same exact red, but by this visual illusion of relativity, they appear different. Neat, huh? And if you want to test it out for yourself, you can download this file and color pick to see if they check out.